Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to minimize OBS to the system tray, which is perfect for keeping your workspace clean while OBS runs in the background. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu bar. Click on File to open a drop-down menu, and from there select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure various aspects of how OBS operates. Once the settings window appears, scroll down through the options until you find the System Tray section. This is where you'll configure all the tray-related behavior for OBS, allowing you to control how the application minimizes and where it appears when you're not actively using it. In the System Tray section, you'll see several checkbox options. The first thing you want to do is check the box beside Enable. This activates the System Tray functionality for OBS, which is essential for the next steps to work properly. Without enabling this option, OBS won't be able to minimize to your tray at all. Next, below that option, check the box beside Minimize to System Tray when started. This setting ensures that whenever you launch OBS, it will automatically start minimized in your system tray rather than taking up space on your screen. This is particularly useful if you frequently run OBS in the background for recording or streaming. Now, if you want even more control over how OBS behaves, there's an optional setting you can enable. Below the previous option, you'll see a checkbox for Always Minimize to System Tray instead of Taskbar. If you check this box, OBS will always go to the system tray whenever you minimize it, rather than appearing as a button on your taskbar. This keeps your taskbar cleaner and makes OBS completely hidden from view. After you've configured these settings to your preference, look to the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to save your changes, and then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. Now let's test if everything is working correctly. Go ahead and minimize your OBS application. Instead of appearing on your taskbar, it should now stay running quietly in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen, completely hidden from your main workspace. When you want to bring OBS back into view, simply head to the bottom right corner of your screen where the system tray is located. Right-click on the OBS icon in the tray, and from the menu that appears, select Show. This will instantly bring your OBS window back to the foreground so you can continue working with it. And that's it. You've now configured OBS to minimize to your system tray, giving you a cleaner desktop while keeping the application running in the background. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.